Hello guys, welcome back to EasyEDA video. So in today's video we will go through how to import components basically, or basically the whole library after that. So we will import library of the component into our program. So how to do that? First, you will go, for example, to this kind of website here, and here you can then search for manufacturer part number or some keyword that you would like to have. After that, you just hit download this model. You will see it here that will be downloaded. It was or it wasn't. Okay, so that one will not work, so let's try another one. Okay, I think that one was good. So if you can see here, now it's in our right over here. What we can do now is go to our program, here to standard, go to files, open, and I will choose Eagle. Okay, now I will select I downloaded here in my download files, so I will select that one, hit OK, custom, like that. Here we'll open up the pop-up window. Here is nothing need to be changed, so just import. Another window will pop up. Select all for schematic and footprint basically, and add to library. If everything went okay, will be successful, so click OK, and soon as you hit OK, you will see that you holding this component and place it on your schematic. And this is basically how to import the library and the schematic. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. It will help a lot. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.